All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining this lecture related to pharmacology of autonomic nervous system. Now I would like to say a few words about plans for today. We will talk about pharmacology of autonomic nervous system. We will cover general aspects of autonomic nervous system pharmacology. We will talk about receptors. We will talk about second messengers. We will talk about localization of these receptors and effects they cause. We will cover organs based on what kind of receptors are present in these organs. I hope this approach will be useful for you, and let's start.